You've done the hard part, cleared the entrance exam, secured admission, and finally got that acceptance letter in your hand. Everything is set. All that's left is to run the final stretch of the marathon to reach your dream university. Oops, here comes the biggest hurdle, funds. You don't want the burden to your parents. You don't have hefty savings lying around. So who do you turn to? Prodigy Finance can rescue you in this situation. They provide funding options for 19 countries around the world and become your rescue partner that gets you across the finish line. So in this video, we are going to help you know exactly how their no cosigner loan works, why it's especially useful for Indian students, and what you need to know before applying. A co-signer in an education loan is usually a parent, guardian, or close relative who legally shares the responsibility of repaying the loan with the students. Lenders often rely on the co-signer's income and credit history to assess the student's loan eligibility. And the student profile doesn't play an important role. Collateral, on the other hand, refers to the assets like property, fixed deposits, or other financial securities that the borrower pledges to the lender as security for the loan. It's a way of lenders to reduce their risk. However, not every student has access to either one of these. Some may not have a financially eligible cosigner, while others may not own assets to offer the collateral. That's where no cosigner, no collateral education loans come in. These loans are specifically designed for students who don't have either one of those. Lenders like Prodigy Finance evaluate your future earning potential instead of your current financial standing, thus making these loans a great option for students looking for a more independent and accessible way to fund their education abroad. How do Prodigy Finance no cosigner loans stand out among these international lenders? We know that the Prodigy Finance provides no cosigner education loans. You don't need to collateral. You don't need a cosigner. All you need are your documents. The loan amount isn't based on your current financial background and can include 100% of your expenses, including tuition fees and living expenses. That means Prodigy assesses your university, your course, and expected salaries in your field to determine the amount. Interest rates start at 9.35% and they offer flexible repayment terms during the moratorium period with over 1200 plus universities and 850 plus eligible programs across the countries. Your options are wide open. It makes Prodigy Finance available all around the world. If you want to apply for the Prodigy Finance no cosigner and no collateral education loan, check whether your university is one of the Prodigy's eligible institutions. A passport is a mandatory requirement during the loan application. However, a letter of acceptance isn't mandatory at the initial stage of your application. You can submit it after you receive your provisional offer letter from Prodigy Finance. And yeah, the country where you're planning to study must also be on Prodigy's eligible list. Keep all the documents ready in the digital format while applying for your loan. To make your profile stronger, ensure that you are uploading your salary slips and savings also. These documents make your profile stronger and also help you negotiate the loan terms. First, head to their website and register with your email. This creates your dashboard and gives you access to the loan application form. Once submitted, you'll receive a provisional offer, valid for 14 days. If you're happy with your terms, you'll need to upload your documents. If you haven't submitted your LOA earlier, now's the time. After your documents are verified and the loan is approved, you'll be asked to pay a $500 USD processing fee to receive an official sanction letter, which is required for your visa application. Then, through your Prodigy dashboard, complete the remaining profile steps and track everything in one place. Once you've landed at your dream university, you'll sign the loan agreement online. Prodigy Finance will directly disburse the amount to your university. While Prodigy's no cosigner loan is incredibly useful, the interest rates are slightly higher compared to transactional bank loans. The loan amounts can also vary depending on your country and course. So even though they offer you 100% funding, In some cases, it might be less. Also, Prodigy Finance only provides loans for postgraduate programs. So, if you're looking for undergrad support, this option won't be available. Finally, remember that without a cosigner, the full repayment responsibility falls on you. If you're still stuck between cosigner and non-cosigner options, let us help you make the right call. At GyanDhan, we'll analyze your profile, shortlist the best offers, and walk you through the pros and cons of each lender. All you need to do is click the check or eligibility link in the description. And if this video helped clear your doubts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We are coming up with more videos to help you plan your higher education journey.